everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you all are doing super awesome. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the holiday sets I picked up, all from drugstore and also from high-end. So without any further ado, I'm going to start with the first product I have here is from MAC, and this is the set that comes with Whisper of Guilt highlighter. That's how the box comes in, and it comes in this really pretty rose gold sequin bag. And the only thing that I don't understand is this little, you know, this poof right here, which doesn't really go with the bag, but yeah, that's there. It comes with a highlighter brush, which is this. It's the actual highlighter brush. This is 140 SES with a short handle, and it's the prettiest handle I've ever seen. It's a rose gold, it's slightly hammered and so pretty, and the brush is actually very good and perfect to add highlighter. So the real reason I got this set is because of this highlighter. I always wanted this highlighter in my collection, and when I saw that this is coming out, I think I was actually in India, or I was just about to leave to India, and I was in a hurry. Like, I just couldn't keep up with all the competition that's happening to pick up this set. So I mentioned to Tanuja from Glam Confident, and she said, okay, I'm also going to get the highlighter. So she hunted this highlighter, she pre-ordered this highlighter, and I think she got this from Macy's. If she didn't put that effort, I would never had this highlighter in my hand. Look at this, so gorgeous. A very pretty gold highlighter. This is the first time I'm actually opening and seeing it. By the time it got here, I was already in India. I just came back and I'm opening this right now. So this is a very, like, you know, the embossing is very deep, and this is not an overspray or anything. It's so pretty. I'm just swatching it from the corner. Just, oh my god, so beautiful. So that is the highlighter. It's a very nice faint gold highlighter. It's not chunky, it's just like, you know, melting into the skin. So it's so pretty. Can't wait. And look at the packaging, you guys. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay, the next one I have here is this Tarte blush set. So when I went to Tanuja's place in September, I used this in our collab video, and then I thought this would be like the perfect blush palette. Like, if I throw away all the blushes I have, I would still live with this blush palette, and that would be enough. So this is the blush palette. I think it's still available on Sephora. This is $44, but then I got it around when they had VIB sale, so I got an additional 20% off on this. It comes with 10 shades, like 2 of them are highlighters, this and also this. These 2 are highlighter, but the rest of them are blushes. Really nice pink, coral, mauve, and also this is a very pretty shimmery highlighter. And Amazonian clay blushes are one of my favorite formula of blushes. They're very pigmented and very long wearing on the cheeks, and I think I have like 6 or 8 colors already in my collection. Like, it's very compact, and the packaging is also really pretty. Okay, the next one I picked up is from Ulta, and this is the Anastasia lip kit, like liquid lipstick set. It comes with 3 Anastasia nude lip colors. These are, I'm gonna tell you, I think all these 3 are not there in their collection. I think all these 3 are new, I'm thinking. So this is Dazed, this is Bittersweet, and this is Hudson. So my eyes are all on this shade Daze. It's a very different, like a reddish nude color. So I'm going to use this in a tutorial or do a separate swatch video, because I've collected some more Anastasia liquid lipstick, because if I keep swatching, this video is going to get too long. The next one I have here is the Stila Written in the Stars Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow set. Like, I wanted to pick up one of these liquid glitter eyeshadows for a long time, and when I saw this set, I mean, like, I just wanted to pick it up. So it comes with 3 shades. All these 3 are in their permanent collection, and I prefer to pick up these mini sizes whenever possible because my collection is very big and it's very hard to finish off eyeshadows or products like this. So 3 colors I have here are Smoky Storm, and this one is Diamond Star, and this is Kitten Karma. Oh my god, Kitten Karma is so beautiful. So I took Kitten Karma and also Smoky Storm on my India trip. I used Kitten Karma so much, and I've used it on some of my family members as well. Everybody fell in love with the eye makeup. I mean, you can just finish off your eye makeup in just 10 minutes and it would still look like, you know, you spend time and you did like a very complicated eye makeup. So I'm gonna swatch this right here. These are so pigmented, very vibrant, like very glittery. Like, there's so much glitter. You just have to apply this on your eye, just blend it a little bit around the corners, and that's it. Just do not disturb. It dries up and it looks so beautiful. I especially used this around my brother's wedding time, and the makeup came out so well. If you want to pick up one shade from this collection, I would definitely tell Kitten Kitten Karma is the shade. Like, it's so beautiful. Alright, the next one I picked up is also from Ulta, and this is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator palette, and this has 3 of their swirl illuminators, and I always wanted to buy their Gilded Honey. So when I saw this palette, I thought it would be perfect to try, and then this actually was on sale. This is originally $32, but then it was marked down to $23 or something. So that's how the palette looks like. It's just a cardboard packaging, and then it comes with this stupid sponge. Like, why do you even include such things? So it comes with 3 of their swirl gelato highlighters. So this one is the one that I always wanted to pick up. It's very popular, and I'm gonna just swirl. Oh my god, it's so vibrant. So I'm gonna swatch it right there. It's very nice. It's a beautiful gold color, and it's not shimmery or glittery. It's just blending into the skin very beautifully. So that's that, and also came with 2 more. This is Ballerina and this is Peach Glow. Yeah, as I mentioned, I really get excited when the things that I have on my list are in mini sizes or in holiday sets. I just don't miss the chance to pick them up because, as I mentioned, I would never ever finish the entire thing. So in mini sizes, I'm still okay, and I get to try some more products along with the one that I want. And then I also picked up some skincare products. The first one I have here is from Shiseido, and this is the Test Our Best Prevent and Correct. So it comes with this a night cream. It's their wrinkle resist night cream, and then it also comes with a power infusing concentrate, and I'm guessing it's like a serum. So you first apply the serum and then the night cream. So this set was $18, and I also picked up their full size eye cream, which I'm currently using. Amazing. So I thought I'll just give these 2 a try, and if I end up liking, I can just, you know, have the entire Shiseido collection for my night routine. And then I also picked up these 2 origin pods. So these I actually picked up so they'll be convenient when I'm traveling. So I've used these 2 before and I really like. So this is Origin's mask. It's the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. So this is like a night mask. You just apply it all over your face at night, sleep through, and then in the morning it basically hydrates and plumps up your face. So I really like it, and I thought if I just take 1 pod, it would be enough for like a week's trip. So That's the next one I have here is their charcoal mask. This is amazing, and when I saw this in these pots I thought it would be perfect. So it's their active charcoal mask. Just apply it all over your face, leave it on for some time and wash it off, and it clears out pores so well. And I also picked this up after holidays, so I got each of these for like $5. I would always tell it's a nice idea to go shopping after the holidays, because a lot of limited edition or holiday stuff will be on like 50% off and crazy sales. So from the drugstore I picked this up from Target. So I got this ELF 3-piece eye set. This is originally $5, but it was marked down to 50% off, so I ended up getting this for $2.50. It comes with a pencil eyeliner and 2 liquid eyeliners. I know I'm not going to use the pencil eyeliner because it didn't work for me. I tried it, but then I'm definitely going to use the 2 liquid eyeliners. This ELF black eyeliner is my favorite. The tip, the brush is amazing, and the other color is a midnight color, and it's like a deep purple or a deep blue color. So that's that. Next one I picked up is this Real Techniques Eye Glam set. So it's a 5-piece set, comes with 4 brushes and a brush holder, and this is originally $15. It's a $30 value, and then it was marked down to $7 or $8. So I got this from Target as well, and that's a really beautiful packaging, and it has all the 4 brushes required to finish off eye makeup. So it comes with a flat shader brush, small pencil brush, a blending brush, and also a so those are all the holiday sets I picked up. Let me know in the comments below what holiday collections you picked up and what are the ones that you liked. If you want me to try anything, do let me know in the comments below. And that is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel, along with clicking the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you get notified about my future uploads. And that's a wrap, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.